Okay, now children, performing the 18th sum of intermediate. Now to do that, what we are supposed to, it is inscribing semicircles. So remember, see the figure which you have to remember is first a square, okay, square के बाद circle, circle के अंदर triangle, okay. So square, circle, ट्रायंगल लाइक हम लोग ने 17 सम में ट्रायंगल के अंदर ट्रायंगल किया था, इसमें स्क्वायर, स्क्वायर के अंदर सर्कल, सर्कल के अंदर ये क्या होता है, रोम्बस, रोम्बस. ओके, सो आई विल जस्ट रीड आउट द सम इन अ स्क्वायर विथ वन साइड्स 5 centimeters. So basically we have to construct a square of 5 centimeters. Okay, now when you are in a hurry and if you have to, actually you all will never be in a hurry, but still I'm telling you, if you all are in a hurry, how to create a sum. So this is 5 centimeters, correct? In a square of 5 centimeters, you have to inscribe 4 semicircles. Okay, this is the sum. 5. Okay, now what you will do is, instead of doing idhar kata, udhar kata, itna sab jhamela se, first what we'll do is we'll just put a protractor here. You know, the property of the square is that every side is 90 degree, correct? So we will put it on this part and directly take 90 degree, because here the construction of square is not that important. What is important is the sum. Okay, now we take 5 centimeters here, we have to mark 5 because it's a square, all the sides are going to be equal. Okay, we are going to mark 5 here, and basically we have to construct a square, and inside this square we have to make how many semicircles? 4 semicircles. So our square is constructed in an easy manner. Now we have to divide the square into 8 equal parts. So 2 are the diagonals, correct? 2 are the diagonals. Done. अभी ये 5 है तो इसका हम लोग exactly 2.5 ले लेते हैं. So 2.5 is here, and you can take 2.5 here too. So this is 5 and we take 2.5 here, and from here with center we draw a line, and from here and center we draw a line. So we have divided our square into 8 equal parts. Now, like, just remember, I'll just twist my book a bit and show you. When we did inscribing semicircles, we considered this, correct? Okay, wait. It's a big jhamela. Wait, I'll show you. I have the book with me. So, see. When we constructed semicircles in a triangle, what angle did we consider was this? Correct? We considered this angle. So, I have shaded here. Even if you all shade this here, you all will never forget, because you all will remember, yes, I was shaded, and then we are supposed to bisect it, correct? This was one kite which was formed. Do you remember? You forgot. Jo bhi hai, you had bisected this. Okay, this angle was bisected. See, can you see? Where we got E1, E2, E3. And then we made a triangle here. तो triangle के अंदर triangle आया था, correct? इधर हम लोगों को क्या करने का है? We have to consider. See, always remember, consider this. You have to bisect this. उधर bisect करके हमको direct point मिलता है, इधर bisect करके हमको तो भी direct point नहीं मिलता है. Now to bisect, what are you supposed to do is, remember this angle. See, this shaded portion has to be bisected. Okay, this shaded portion has to be bisected. Bisect it well, नहीं तो sum नहीं आएगा. अभी मेरा ये पता नहीं क्यों ऐसा उंडू हिल रहा है. But then, see, keep it here, cut it, then increase the length, cut here, okay, and you bisect it. नामकरण करना मत भूलना, मार्क्स कट जाएंगे. Okay, so I have bisected and we got some point here. अभी previously in a triangle we got this point here and we took this as a radius and we made a circle, but here you cannot do this. So let us mark this point as E. Okay, now on this point you have to make a perpendicular. Remember, point on the line and you are supposed to make a perpendicular. So what will you do? You will keep your compass on this point. इकडे कटा, इकडे कटा, हाय हाय, अच्छे से कट जा भैया, इधर काटा, ठीक है. Now you will increase the length. इधर काटा, इधर काटा. No, sorry, I made a mistake. I took a wrong point. Dekha, when I make a mistake, even you all can make a mistake. See, this was the bisector line. Okay, we have to make a parallel line like that. So we have to cut this diagonal. Okay, we don't have to cut the bisector. Remember, भूत बनाओ. ये टीचर की मिस्टेक हो गई थी तो तुम्हारी भी मिस्टेक हो सकती है. You have to bisect the diagonal, not the perpendicular bisector. What have you to do is bisect the diagonal, not the perpendicular bisector. You have got E1. You have to bisect the diagonal. See, इधर काटा, एले काय झालं रे, इधर काटा, इधर काटा, ठीक है. फिर उससे थोड़ा बड़ा लिया, just neglect this. इधर काटा. Actually, you know what? We are in a hurry. अभी the exams is करीब. So है ना, मेरे भी हाथ पैर ऐसा ही हो जाता है. Now I have taken this. I have taken the E point. Okay, so we have got 2 points and we create this bisector. Okay, now you have got this point. O1 लिख दे. O1. अभी O1 हमें मिल गया है. Now with radius as O and O1 we will draw a circle. इसमें थोड़ा टेढ़ा जाता है, टेढ़ा. I still make you all understand. Again, don't you worry. We'll do 17 and 18 का practice right away now. Okay, square हो गया, circle हो गया. Now you have to make टिंचिक टाड़ा टाड़ा. So ये O1 हो गया, ये हमको point इधर मिला, ये O1 हुआ, ये O2 हुआ, ये O3 हुआ, ये O4 हुआ. Now you have to make a rhombus. Romba romba polesho, romba romba colesho, romba romba polesho cole. हाँ, ये तो हो गया. Now with this as radius, oh my god, कितना confusion करता है भाया. With this as radius, मतलब now you have to name this. Don't name this, otherwise it will become a big confusion. So I am just doing one semicircle so that you all know. With this as radius, you all are supposed to draw one semicircle here. Now with this same ही होएगा. Okay, now draw one semicircle here. For this as radius, draw one semicircle here. बहुत गचड़ी बचड़ी सम होता है. And with this as radius, draw one semicircle here. So we have inscribed 4 semicircles. Okay, now I will explain once again the triangle wala and this in a short manner. Okay, now first was inscribing semicircles in a equilateral triangle. So what will you do is, see, concentrate here now. First what you will do is make an equilateral triangle. Bisect it into 6 equal parts. Correct? Equilateral 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 6 equal parts. Done. हो गया. अभी हमको ये शेडेड पोर्शन है, ठीक है. अभी ये शेडेड पोर्शन को हमको बाइसेक्ट करना है. दिस इज बाइसेक्ट, ठीक है. इसको हमने बाइसेक्ट किया तो वी गॉट दिस पॉइंट, तो O1 and we drew a circle. Okay, after we drew a circle again, अभी ये O1 O2 O3 मिला तो इधर ट्रायंगल के अंदर ट्रायंगल के अंदर ट्रायंगल बनाकर देन यू जस्ट हैव टू मेक सेमी सर्कल्स. अंडरस्टूड? अभी ये स्क्वायर में क्या होता है? फर्स्ट यू हैव टू कंस्ट्रक्ट अ स्क्वायर. divided into 8 equal parts. Triangle is 6, square is 8. Now isme we took this shaded part, correct? Here what we have to take is this shaded part. Then we make an bisector. लेकिन इधर bisector से काम हो गया, इधर bisector से हमको बाइसेक्टर के बाद हमको क्या लेना है? डायोगोनल. बाय के बाद डाय लेना है, बाय के बाद डाय लेना है, याद रखना. बाइसेक्टर के बाद डायगोनल करने का. अब ये डायगोनल को इधर काटा टिक चका टुक चुक टुक चुक, और तुम लोगों को इधर एक परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर मिलेगा. अब ये पॉइंट होएगा तुम्हारा O1. फिर ये O1 हो गया तो हमने ऐसे सर्कल बना दी. सर्कल बनाने के बाद तुमको O1, O2, O3, O4 मिलेगा. तो अंदर रंबा कलेशु, और फिर तुमको ऐसा ऐसा सेमी सर्कल्स बनाना है. समझ गया ना? Okay, so sum number 18 is done, and if you have done sum number 18, sum number 19 is chutpunji. I will do it.